Topic today is a serious situation involving breast cancer. Of course, we're back with the Law and You, featuring award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, as always, thanks for being here.
Great to be here today.
Yeah, we have a tough situation to get to, and this question involves breast cancer, and it sounds like a mammogram gone wrong. This is from Jill in Nanticoke. I have breast cancer. I was at a mammogram in March of 2012, but nothing was found. I found a lump in my breast in May of 2013. I have stage 2 cancer, and I lost my right breast. Do I have a malpractice case? Is there anything Jill can do here about this mammogram and the lack of finding it?
Yeah, you know, Jill, the answer to your question is I don't know. And you know, I do a lot of malpractice cases. I've handled a lot of, you know, breast cancer cases. We would need a little bit more information to tell you, and what we would need to know and what we would need to look at would be that mammography and to see if there actually was anything on it that was missed, because you're at stage 2, and it's been about a year and a half since you had that mammogram. There is a possibility that there was nothing on it, and that particular lump has grown in that period of time, and there may not be any malpractice. So I think we need a little bit more information, you know, on this, to answer that question.
And when he's talking about information, we say it all the time: records, records, records. We need the records. You got to go get your records. You got to get your MRIs, your X-rays, your films, anything that's relevant. Doctors, any doctor visits that occurred during, you know, pretty much your lifetime, it's going to be important to have. Get them together, get to an attorney, and, you know, because that statute of limitations clock we talk about could be ticking, you need to move quickly.
Now, tell us how our viewers can get in touch with you, and are you guys able to help out with someone who may need a situation with the medical records? So if someone's not sure what to do and how to get those, can you help with that?
Yeah, no, we could give you the advice. And just so you understand, you have an absolute right to your medical records. You don't even need to give it a reason. So you can just walk in and ask for a copy. They will produce them. And if you have questions, call us, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com.
The other thing is, when you get those medical records, you want to make sure that they're accurate. So you yourself, you want to go through those and say, hey, you know, I was there on this particular day, and I was telling my doctor this, and that's nowhere in the record. You have the right, you know, Pennsylvania, there's a Patient's Bill of Rights, and you have the right to make sure that your medical records are accurate and and complete. So it's a very important thing, for people to kind of make sure they take a look at their medical records.
All right, good advice. Results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks. We'll see you next time.
We'll see you tomorrow.
PAHomepage.com, the Law and You hotline. 2 ways to get a question here on the show.